Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over a variation on the buck and wing time step called the Cramp Roll Time Step. So if you have not yet watched my videos going over the single, double, triple, or quadruple time steps, I would recommend watching those videos first and familiarizing yourself with those steps and then coming back to this video because the Cramp Roll Time Step relies heavily on the buck and wing time steps. So you can find links to those, links to my time step playlist down in the description box below. So if you want to go find those videos, it's down in the description box below. Okay, so this one's actually fairly simple. You're just taking a buck and wing time step and you're adding on one extra step. So it's not meant to actually use a cramp roll in the step. It's just meant to imitate the sound of a cramp roll. So you're not actually going to see a cramp roll anywhere in this time step. So it's just one extra step, and it's a heel drop. So it's right at the very end. So say you wanted to start your single time step. You're going to go stomp, hop, step, flap. So let's get that far. So with your right foot, stomp, hop, step, flap. From here is where you're going to add the extra sound. So instead of just stepping back and then going onto your left side, you're going to step back, but you're going to also add a heel drop. Okay, so see what we did there with your left foot. Flap, step, heel, and now your left foot's ready to go. And then you would go into hop, step, flap, step, heel, and now right foot's ready to go. It's as simple as that. You're just adding the one heel, the one sound. So try that with me again. Let's try them 4 in a row, nice and slow. So it's stomp, hop, step, flap, step, heel, stomp. Good. Hop, step, flap, step, heel. Yes. Yes, good. Good. From here, you can go into your double. So the double is exactly the same. Starts the same, right? Stomp, hop, flap, flap. Just adding an extra heel drop after this step. Good. Hop, flap, flap, step, heel, stomp. Into the triple. You're going to go hop, shuffle, step, flap, step, heel, stomp. Good. Nice, good job. And then into the quadruple. This one, in my opinion, is actually the easiest one to do. And it's because you're not having to go forward with the flap and then step back again. You're just working side to side. And it's just a step, step, heel, yeah? So, with your quadruple, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, step, heel, stomp. Yes, good. Nicely done. Yes, nicely done, good. Let's try those all together. 2 of each here. Let's hope I remember 2. I'm used to doing 4. So 2 of each. A little bit faster here. So just adding that extra heel drop to your time steps, yeah? And 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Double. Triple. Quadruple. Yes, nicely done. So you can kind of hear the cramp roll in it, right? So if you go from here, the last step on the flap, if you're doing single, double, or triple, is going to start the sound for the cramp roll, right? So step, step, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's almost like you're using the last last step of the flap, the step heel, and the stomp to get a nice cramp roll sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So let's try a little bit faster. So if you're an intermediate or advanced level, this one's for you here. So faster, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. Triple. Quadruple. Yeah, nicely done. And faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. Triple. Quadruple. All right, nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and turn on notifications so you can get notified of when I release my new videos. If you have any comments, like if you would like to suggest a song, or if you want me to break down a particular step, let me know down in the comments below, and I will hopefully get to it as soon as possible. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.